let's make red wine poached pears.
Start with 4 slightly underripe pears, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 1 2-inch cinnamon stick, 6 whole cloves, 6 sprigs of fresh thyme, peel of 1 orange, and some creme fraiche. And most importantly, a bottle of medium-bodied dry red wine, such as Côtes du Rhone. Start by peeling your pears, leaving the stems and core intact. Next, peel the rind from an orange. Add the pears to a medium saucepan and pour over that delicious wine. Sprinkle on the sugar. Then add the orange peel, the thyme, the cinnamon stick, cloves, and black peppercorns. Give it a gentle stir, cover it, and bring to a simmer, turning the pears every so often. Once cooked for 30 minutes, remove the pears from the liquid onto a plate. Now, heat the poaching liquid over medium-high heat uncovered and boil until it is reduced by half.
Now I'm going to show you a little food styling trick. Take a paring knife and just cut the very bottom of your pear. It'll allow it to stand upright, which is good for presentation. I'm going to take a little bit of the syrup from reducing all of that delicious wine and spices and just drizzle it over. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of crème fraîche. You could also use ice cream or a drizzle of heavy cream. It adds a little tartness to balance out that syrupy sweetness of the pears. Just for a little extra garnish, some pomegranate seeds. As a pairing with your dessert, I wanna recommend finding a wine that has some fresh acidity to help break through the sweetness of the pear. This is a fun wine. It's a Tokaji Furmint grape from Hungary. It has aromas of flowers and stone fruits, a little bit of apple, just a bright, fresh acidity. Or you can ask your total wine expert to give you some recommendations. Tell them what you're making, a delicious poached pear and wine, and I'm sure they will have the perfect pairing for you. This is so good. Serve it with some chilled wine, and you have an easy, elegant dessert.